All right, everybody, not just Willie and, let me see your trade plans for today. Hold them up. See them. See them. All right, I'm gonna start with, let's see. Low pay. Oh, he can right, guys. Yeah, found the pen this week. Found the pen this week.
Five trades is negative done for the day. And,
You done for the day?
if I'm negative for 5 trades.
Okay.
If I miss it, that's okay.
Where's your plan about the market? What do you think the market is?
I put an 8. I have finished
This is other than Robert. Not bad.
And support at around 33,200.
A little tight, but it's. Oh no, but what'd you say? 34,400.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. 360s. The number on is that what's what Coach has here?
370.
I showed a couple of people yesterday's pullback, remember?
You guys use?
So 33,168 is
What's
my,
your support resistance, Diedrich?
I have it at high.
That's it.
0.75, so that's about 300 ticks lower than some of the other guys. What did you?
And the support was, we discussed it.
Pretty close, yeah, we got support on it. So your resistance, well, actually, what really matters today is resistance levels anyway. It's easy to find support. So what's, what did you do to find resistance? Where did you find it at?
yeah.
On the daily, which day? Because you had 34,01.
075.
07, we had 34. Oh, yeah, that's him. What did you have for resistance?
Resistance 34,060.
So you guys are pretty close. So why does he have 400? What are these guys? So you guys are all really close here, 96 or 70. So you're between like the 60 and 90 range. These are around 400.
I have 34,158.
So still pretty close to them. But
Because
that's
there is,
interesting that you're only like that's a little deviation away from that. So interesting. I
why
can pull a daily chart up and say, Denise,
I was
resistance.
great.
Robert, what you got for resistance?
34,269.
That's interesting. You guys creep up. All right. Who else got resistance? Willie, what you got? Tim?
34,300.
Chanel? You got the resistance, man.
I have 33,978.
That's low.
Let's
You
see.
took that from previous. So that really, resistance really goes on. Who else has a resistance number?
I agree with Chanel because it's like you might not be able to make the
it's a full day,
calculation. You might just not- That's what like thinking was not.
full day in the stock market.
Okay, so go back to what we talked about. Go back to support and resistance from Wednesday. Is it okay to have 2 levels? If your level's really close to current price, you probably want another one until you get really good at support and resistance.
I have like, 2 that are close, like.
What are they?
34,097.
So it's really close to what these guys had,
And I have, 42 as well, that one.
and that's what Chanel had, or
And
Robert
then
had.
my top one that I don't see anymore is, 34,330.
So that's close to. All right,
That's what I have.
so here we go. Pretty much everybody here, the same like wavelength, and then everybody back here is around 400 area. So Diedrich, let's go back to where you found your level.
This is the,
Everybody pull up your daily
dynamic
charts.
base drop at the August 18th. That's why I said that.
All right,
I
so
will-
use the wicks or the candles?
Now I just took this look and there is an area of very tiny.
It's a those.
So you
81. Developing your own. Yeah, yep, got it right now. Here we go. All those numbers that you're picking, guys, are,
Let's see, rubber's gonna be the road, where'd you find your, who was it? Who had the lowest one? What were you, 60?
Yeah, 60.
All right, let's see what we got here. We got August what, 8th, you said? 8th, 18th. You found resistance, and you were looking somewhere in this area?
Yes.
Yep,
Okay.
I have it.
somewhere here?
Yeah.
Okay, how close is that to like what we got so far? You have a crosshair?
right there.
Yeah.
Well, up, so
The high of May is guys doing 971. Oh, I was going back to May.
what is that price, coach?
I'm sorry,
Have it on?
I can't see.
Well, just use the,
But
Yeah, you went that one, right there. Okay.
269.
Yeah,
So we
it's gonna
have-
struggle up there, you know, all the good news is out, but
Brian, I
we'll
was,
see.
I was looking at May, actually, in May, there's really good resistance.
okay, that's a good thought, but you really want to use the most recent price action in your area.
3 days.
Well, this is over here. This isn't,
This is a daily chart.
I know, but
August.
there's only 3 days that we're kind of basing that resistance number on.
and that's perfect.
Mhm.
Okay.
That means that price moved away from that area extremely fast.
Do we want to look at more days in the past than that?
You can confirm that level with more days in the past.
Because
There's
that's,
nothing there that's, we have to go back, right? This is-
Yeah, you can confirm that further in the past, but realistically, if you have price at you that. Going back further on the spot, I would use.
Right here, 34.
The reverse, okay, yeah.
And why is there resistance? I mean, you can see somebody started selling it. You know, it wasn't just one person.
I mean, look at the massive moves up, guys. Think about what's happening.
Those who are long start taking
Massive
some off
moves
here.
up For some reason, right here in this area. So.
How many people in the remote room are long on that signal?
I don't even look at this out. All of the numbers I was taken out. So,
Coach Hugo, Jennifer,
how is that not a significant level? What I'm
I
trying to,
mean, I agree, but it's really.
80, we're at our second target. My next target is
Okay, I
83.
guess I'm going back further.
33,
Look further back.
so you
883.
have one level, use a level that's more fresh.
Okay.
You like that level, use it.
Yeah, okay.
Odds are, price gets to that level today, there's gonna be something funky happening. So, but use the most recent price action too, that's the point I'm trying to make.
Order filled.
You guys hear that? You guys hear
Good
that?
job, Killer B.
So if you go back further, and you find something like Mike did that's like, you know, like closer to price.
Okay, let me show you the signal for the long.
Just make sure that you.
Just
guys
real quick,
are
they have
using
questions,
fresh
Coach.
data. That's a-
I'll be right back, guys, and just get a couple of questions from the room here.
Most recent price action, if you don't like the level, then you can go back further and find out.
I know there's nothing stopping up here to.
Yeah.
for,
It's like a first touch rule, Jennifer, right? It's coming down. Well, first of all, it trends up, so it's somewhere you want to buy, right? Market comes down here around 852, right? Comes down here like a little railroad track pattern, they call it. Tries to make a new low, can't make a new low. Starts hooking up. I want to use your, the strategy that works best for you. Some like the crossover of the stochastic here. Some like a 15 range buy right there. Others try for the pullback. So triggers the buy signal, daily trend is up, right? That's the big signal. So here's a good question Jennifer asked, and a lot of people are afraid to ask this because they feel it's a silly question. What time frame do we use for the daily pivot?
Everyone.
A lot of people don't know. Yeah. It doesn't matter. It's a daily pivot. It's one line, Jennifer, one line that's across the chart. You could put it on any chart you want, simply because it's based on yesterday's daily chart. And that doesn't change. So that's what we call a static indicator. And we've mentioned this a couple of times, everybody forgets. Two kinds of indicators. Static, meaning you can look at it all day and see where it is. It's a horizontal line. Pivots are typical. Our trend, our horizontal lines that we draw on pivots, they're static, right? A pivot is a pivot. Not going to change. What's the other thing? Yeah. Dynamic. What is a dynamic indicator? Momentum. Because momentum can change all day from different levels, right? We could have a 200-point sell-off. The momentum's going to go down, but then the momentum may hook up when it rallies 50 points, 150 points below where it is now. So that's a dynamic indicator is changing. What's the most basic dynamic indicator that we follow all day long? Moving average. And stochastics are too. The moving average is based on more people follow moving averages. Yeah. You ask somebody, what's a stochastic? And I don't know. And if you don't know, ask those questions. I always had a hard time. I just knew stochastic was it's low and then it goes high, but what actually calculates it?
How is pivot calculated?
The pivot?
Yeah.
Oh.
Is it like, what is it?
Oh, okay. You go yesterday's price. You look at yesterday's daily chart. You take the high, the low, and the close. What's the close? The close is the result. It's like the final score of a game.
Right.
You have momentum. One team is winning, and then the other team comes back, and it's going in, and that's what you have. And then at the end of the day, you have, does it close?
So it's the average
Of
open,
three.
low, high, not
And
open,
all three,
all three. Open, low, high, close.
not the open.
Not the
That's
open,
four.
so low, high, close.
Yes. The low, the high, and close. You add them up, divide by 3. That shows you the balance point.
Got it.
Yep.
What is the volatility number you have?
Yeah, Jennifer, some charting software have different parameters. They let you pick different things, but if you take yesterday's high, low, and close, the problem on different charting software is the close. Some put the settlement price, some put the close. I don't know why they have that on a Dow. The settlement price used to be, the chart ends right there. That's the last trade. Then the floor traders all start fighting with each other, cursing and spitting at literally they're fist fights. I bought it from you. Then they settle it. The board of governors come down and they said, all right, show me where he's bought. What time did you buy it? Who saw Boss Olino? I was buying. He saw me. Okay. They settle it. So you have two prices. There is no pit in the Dow. So I don't know why they have a settlement price. Who settled? The electrons?
I think it's the electrons.
Yeah, and the protons. Yeah.
Well, no, it's the super data.
Yeah. So again, a lot of tradition. Yes.
Yeah, if you go to CME today, they actually adjusted their sell price.
They did from yesterday.
Yeah.
Okay. And yeah, software will change.
Yeah, it changes, so it would change. If you use that for the pivot, it actually lowers it by like 5.
The funny thing about that is, like Wednesday, we were talking about how we got close to the pivot and it just bounced around, but it was under the pivot. There you go. That shows you have the pivot that what they were using.
Because we have the LED gap to go there.
I have mine to set the auto calculator on bar close, which is what I think everybody should do, right, Coach?
Yeah, absolutely.
Just have it set to do a bar close. But, it's funny, was it Tuesday or Wednesday? Wednesday. So Wednesday, we had a good run up to the pivot, but then it just kind of wiggled around for probably 30 minutes, 40 minutes. But it was under the pivot, never touched the pivot, probably like 46 away, something like that, but never got to it. So, they were like, why is this happening? And, well, it's clearly because
Well, so you guys use the CME website, and you say like.
price gets close to
I do the same as Coach Brian does.
Okay.
And then I'll let people complain, oh, you got it wrong. Then I'll go and check. I mean, it's,
Close is close enough for the rest of
Yeah.
you guys. You take all of these prices, on any given day, you're not gonna be off by 20, 25 days.
right. You're welcome, Jennifer.
Just, oh, shoot, you know what? That's what I'm saying, I'm doing all the trades. Oh. That's a new version. Huh.
Did you guys turn the air?
I haven't touched it. I didn't see anything. They didn't give me a
I got my thing.
I can feel it too.
Are you?
So you're confirming,
No.
Mike, you're confirming with me if I'm cold, then it's
Is
okay
it-
to be cold?
It does seem a little cooler here than it has been.
Well, I just want to get like a consensus on that we should turn off the air.
You have a Parker on. You should not be cold.
Were you hot?
I'm cold.
Who wants to use this for volatility? I mean, here's a cheating volatility estimate.
Can you tell us how you cheated?
Yeah, no, that's a secret.
You don't have to go back and calculate a look. How about that? There's a low, there's a high. Anyone want to subtract that? 33,
Something.
928.
just opened that thing.
Yeah, I looked in there, just whirring.
No, they're gonna do that somewhere else.
It is my dog.
You wanna go
So
ask
it's that once in a
Minus
while.
33, 723.
I'll be right back.
Anyone want to use 205 points? Yeah, anybody?
Yeah, I have one big one. That was at
We'll see.
4 o'clock.
We'll see.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's.
Some of it is luck. I mean, yesterday's 260, right? We had a couple of different estimates. We used 260. It turned out to be perfect. Sometimes it'll go beyond it. The point was, if you waited for the market to come close to that kind of pullback, others, here's the whole thing. It's another self-fulfilling prophecy. That's all. The institution, the big people are required to do that. So just like here, this could be any institutional desk. We say, all right, everybody calculate volatility. And you come up with an answer and the trading desk manager goes, all right, we're going to use that. So that means that institution is waiting for a 230 point pullback before they buy. The other institution might be waiting for 270. All we know is that they're doing it. We're trying to figure out what they're doing. And if it's successful, they're all going to be using some form of it. And that means a whole bunch of little institutions buying. We go up in the newbie goes, I'm stopped out. And then one or two people like in the room is complaining, I stopped out because I'm a moron. And, good. We want them to be stopped out. I hope there are a few people who come in, complain, and then trade against me. And then you'll have to tell your kid to get a job driving a dump truck. Well, my kids have a luxurious lifestyle because I was smart enough to accept the losses, accept the gains, and keep on fighting. And if you need a friend, don't even get a dog because the dog will be embarrassed. Get an earthworm. Sorry.
Get in that farm.
When coach sees that, we both get really, really pissed off. We're competitors. And when we he sent me pictures of his face being smashed up playing rugby. I mean, why does a 40-year-old guy want to play rugby? I mean, because you're competitive. You don't say, that's it for me. I'm packing it up, waiting for the Undertaker. Bull crap. All right, so about 205 for the volatility. Everybody have a wonderful day.
Would you say 205?
205.
205.
205. We're going to do that number there.
205. Get it down dirty.
And somebody might be better. Maybe you get 220 and you get the
So
exact
here's-
number. Great.
Here's the thing, guys. Pay attention. If you come up with a volatility number of 130, do you think that's going to be something that's going to really be realistic on the Dow for the day?
Yeah, if it goes down 130, will it rocket back up or will it go down another 100 points and you get stopped out? It's the point you want to buy and hopefully not get stopped out.
So the odds are, if you come up with 130, 140, 150 for the day, unless we've had some really lackluster stuff happening, probably will be a little higher. So I gave you a couple cheap methods to do that this week to get a little higher volatility. That's the point. Make sense?
Yeah. But I did yesterday's sheet, the all-in-one.
Uh-huh.
To pivot.
Uh-huh.
Doesn't come out right at all.
What?
Oh, today it comes out massive.
Yeah, it should be huge today.
Yeah, I think they have to reload to start the data.
Here, let's do it. Well, let's do it. You want to figure out the pivot?
Hold on.
All right, let's figure it out. Let's not, here we go. And then I got to post the numbers. Tell you what, let me post the numbers first and then we'll figure this stuff out. We're going to use that, and if it's really bad, I'll apologize and say I'm sorry.
It's
All
not bad. No apology.
All right, 33,168 is support, and we know why, because of yesterday's pullback and buy signal. It's still valid. 67 later, I'd go short. If it goes down that much and takes out all that support, hey,
All right, here goes. Online people, you guys, can you hear me? Those of you online, quick announcement, quick stuff. You guys hear me? Everybody
Yep.
respond. All right, first and foremost, those of you on trial, please, we've got some people just showing up right now this week that's never seen us before. We are at boot camp. We are doing a half day today. Please watch your orientation video. Schedule a coaching session, preferably with one of the coaches and maybe Miss Codell. And we'll get those questions answered for you. Those of you on trial, please know that videos and core trade setup videos that come with that. So that's for your trial people. Now for the members. Everybody that can hear me respond, or we're shutting the trade room down right now.
let's go.
Online.
Roll call.
I am not in a good mood. And thank you guys. You are paying attention,
Cool.
listening of helping each other grow. If you think for any reason that we're going to try to do something that's going to take away from you, that keeps you from growing as a trader, you're absolutely outside morals here. Oh, it's a violation of my privacy. Well, then don't sign up for it. We're using it as a coaching tool. If you guys don't think it's a tool that we brought in to help you get better as a trader, then don't use it. But the fact of the matter is, most of you are not doing well at trading. Use the tool to help you get better. That's why we brought it in. Nobody's looking at it. And if you don't want us to even have access to see your statistics, then get out of the Liberty Trading Club community and still use the tool. We paid for it for you as a tool. Okay? If you think we're trying to push something down your throat online, those of you online, leave the club. Seriously. I am not happy with people complaining. You go in our Discord, complain, private chat somebody. This is not going to happen in this club, guys. I'm sorry. Thanks for listening, but no complaining, no whining. We're not trying to steal your data. We're not spying on you. We want better traders, plain and freaking simple. And if you don't like that, get out.
It's not the FBI.
Sorry, everybody at boot camp started that.
Yep, love everybody.
Whining, complaining, that BS is not welcome to this club.
Complain to your doctor the next time he says, go in to op, go fully close. I'm not taking my clothes off. It's private, idiots. And you know what? This is what gets me. I mean, human beings are so weird. They have what they call HICFA. That's the thing where you can't disclose your medical information to anyone. You know, a doctor. You're not even allowed technically say, you know, Jack Snow, get up here. The one with the neurological condition. You know, you can't even say the last name, Mr. Snow. You know, because somebody might know you. And then they go on YouTube and have pictures of their rectal exam. I mean, it's like, where are these people? I'm in the doctor's office now. Here's my selfie. I mean, people are weird. Yeah. Look, and arm around him, having a drink. You know. No, you can't say this. Meanwhile, they log on to all these websites, put all their personal information.
I love it. Somebody said you said your dad isn't used to the election.
Yeah. Oh, Tony. You don't want to. Ooh, I don't want to tell you what I said before that. Bulldogs. Tony. Who's a Denver Broncos fan? Yep.
Drew,
Yep.
if you log into the main site, we paid for a tool for all our members, and it's set up your trader dashboard. It's a new section on the main site, Drew. Just log in. There's pretty clean instructions, video instructions on everything. But it's a great tool. It helps you track all your statistics and everything, Drew.
Yeah, it doesn't give your social security number out. It never asks for, you know, your dog's bathroom schedule. I mean, it's just for you to monitor your information. Go, I'm doing 90 in the school zone. I covered it up. I didn't want to look at that. That was privacy.
We don't have to keep on that, guys.
Yeah,
The people that were complaining about that heard me. I know you heard me. So there's guys, we're really trying to help you guys understand that. Use the tool for what it's meant to be.
Ask your fellow traders. That's it. Don't believe us. Maybe we are scam artists. Although it's the only thing that gets me
I was
mad.
a little upset.
You yelled at Rad.
I wasn't yelling at Rad.
You softened up.
You always yell at.
NFP. Last week on Friday.
Oh, she knew I was joking around last week. A little bit, not really.
Not really. But I told
So
Rad.
how
that
am
you
I
softened
supposed
up.
to know it's
It's out of
your fault,
love,
it's a serious
because
thing?
it's out of love.
You softened up afterwards.
I do always soften up after.
Yeah, by the
But
time,
I want people to know the seriousness that I take this.
my Brian, by the time you soften up, I left the home already.
Have you
So
gotten up?
I left with that kick in
You
my.
need one more hug.
Grandma.
Thank you, Spy. I mean, I'll just add one thing, and it's a real personal thing with me.
You guys have to know.
You know, I can be stupid, arrogant, whatever, megalomaniac, whatever you want to say. There's one thing, though. A long time ago, I had an issue. It was a very well-publicized issue about integrity. My wife, mother of my 2 children, said to go along with the corrupt people. She said, what's more important to you, your family or your integrity? The next morning, I sought a divorce. So anybody wants to criticize me for that, don't do it to my face. Do not do it. I'll give you my address. You can do it, but, you know, be prepared to bring your orthopedic surgeon.
Anybody that's been in this room for a while knows that we actually care about your success.
We do.
It-
Yeah.
It takes 3 to 2 days for you to figure out that we actually care about your success, guys. So
Yeah.
I yelled this morning because, I mean, seriously,
Yeah.
this is a club. It's meant to be a club environment. We're all supposed to work together as a club.
Yeah.
Think about it. You go to any club on the planet, go to any club, the person that's causing problems in the club isn't in that club next month. It doesn't matter what it is. It could be your polo club, your chess club.
And I've lost a lot of money, 49 months in a row. Never once criticized Linda Raschke and said it was her fault.
We're here to help, guys. All right, let's get ready for the open.
Yep.
No trading for the first 6 minutes. We've got quite a few trial people showing up. So, guys, those of you who are please, no trading for the first 6 minutes. Newer traders, we've had a few people join this week as members. Thank you for joining, guys. Happy that you're members, new members. But please, if you're trying to follow along with the trades, make sure to do it on Sim, not cash. Preferably stay on Sim with us for at least a month or 2 until you get your bearings about here.
I'll tell you another thing, you know that warning that you have to put up, these trades may be simulated, not all trades can represent, we trade cash, all right? There's a cash account, you can see it. People in this room have seen cash account. And I don't put $1 billion since I can make money because I'm grandma or something. I can bring an account down to $400 and make money out of it, 1% a day. Anybody want to challenge that? Come here, sit next to me and prove it. I will prove it to you. Okay, I've been doing it for quite a long time. I'll continue to do it. So we know what we're talking about. We're very few. It's true. I can understand some skepticism. So Coach and I do understand it. You've been to 22 Humpty Dumpty rooms, and then 3 months later, these guys are being indicted by the CFTC. And you go, all trading rooms are scam artists. Well, a lot are.
Drew got a phone call 2 weeks ago from the room that got indicted by CFTC.
Yeah. You look him up. Well, he's got a great track record. Yeah, and CFTC doesn't believe it. You can call the CFTC. Let them come in here. They'll probably quit their job as investigators and start trading with us. Anyway.
Where are we located, Dan? We're all over the country.
Yeah.
Our main office is in Destin, Florida. But we got an area. We're in South Florida.
South Florida.
We're in Nevada.
We're now in Nevada.
California.
Yeah.
Where's South Carolina?
We are like COVID. All right, let me post the number. Did we agree? I'm sorry, I was posting in the room when everybody was agreeing on a resistance number. I'm going to post that now. You guys were talking about the daily. What was the agreed resistance? 405? What was that? Okay, the resistance, I've got 180, 168 of support. What did we guys agree on resistance? Remember, we're doing the daily chart. What number?
We're agreeing on resistance, guys.
It's your numbers. Come on, give it to me. I'm gonna take 34,337. Is everybody happy with that?
Close enough.
All right, 34,100, 300. How about then we're gonna go about in the middle there, 200. Make everybody, since we've been creating enemies by yelling at everybody, we need friends. 34,200. Okay. I like that. 190.
Dan, I think you're on trial. We are just a remote operation. We happen to be in California right now on a boot camp. Question. Remote boot camp, Stan, did that answer your question, buddy? Yeah, today's the last day, Dan. So when you log in on Monday, everything will be no background noise. We'll be behind our computers from some mystical office somewhere yelling at you for that.
Yeah.
I think a lot of people want a call room instead of wanting to learn how to trade.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, you know, the funny thing is, we do both.
Yeah.
You said it was wide range and you
You said dude.
I know. We already had a blue book.
Yeah.
Right, or they want us to manage your money. Maybe we'll do that someday. Come up with $100 million, we'll manage it for you. I'm not gonna manage a $5,000 account.
Add your setups, too. Make sure to add your setups, guys. Those of you that are using Swissit, you guys online using the dashboard, you must, if you really are using properly, you gotta go in to your watch list and add strategies and the trade setups that you're using. Okay, go into the watch list under Swissit and add the trade strategies that you're using. Those of you online using the dashboard that we rolled out this past week, go into the watch list, make sure to add your trade setups. That way you can put in that setup and add notes. All right, you guys, we got 9 minutes for the open. You guys ready to rock and roll? Not bad.
Happy Veterans Day to everybody.
Yeah, well, we're gonna do that.
We want to thank our veterans for the amazing service you guys, gals have done. And, today's a day to honor them, but we honor them every day of the year.
By the way, at 11:11 Eastern time, we're gonna be a moment of silence for all of our veterans.
Yeah.
So you guys, everybody online is gonna be here around 11 o'clock Eastern. We're gonna do that around 11. you guys. I'm guessing on fun stuff online. Yeah, Cotton Knob, all you Northeasterners, we're gonna probably do sometime when it's warmer outside in the Northeast. Not going to the north when it's cold. Like my flip-flops.
We even love veterans who aren't veterans yet, but just signing up in boot camp. Really?
Nice job.
Not a veteran yet, but they're going through
Seriously,
hell.
thank everybody for your service. I know there's a couple people that served in this room. Thank you, Robert.
Yeah.
Willie,
Willie, yeah.
thank you guys. Am I missing somebody? Thank you guys.
I actually got to do Air Force One duty for Reagan.
Really? Holy cow, I didn't know that.
He used to go to his, he used
Thank
to
you, guys.
park Air Force One at, March Air Force Base when he'd go to his ranch.
Well, it was good to have you. I'm happy to know that you woke me up when I was sleeping a couple of times.
Well,
Nancy. Nancy.
Yeah.
Nancy.
And Nancy, too.
We haven't had any impersonations this week.
We've been working on them. Yeah, we're having a little sell-off here. Let me
Guys,
post
Let us
the,
sell off the video.
hold on.
I'm already flat from yesterday, so.
Brian, we are waiting for the comedy hour.
Oh,
The comedy, yeah, the comedy club started. All right.
I'd like to. If you can go maybe on the big
Listen,
screen so we can
I'll
look at it.
I'll start. Okay, so, yesterday I ordered a chicken and an egg off Amazon. I'll let you know which one comes first.
Yeah, press the duck on that one. Hey, press the duck on that one.
Yeah.
Who here has kids at home that likes things that shoot stuff?
You know that's got a travel.
Who here has kids at home that likes things that shoot stuff? Huh?
You know that's got a travel.
Well, technically, it's Anna's, so.
Just got 'em out now, Coach. Coach Ryan.
I think it will be your mascot for the week. That's the best. Why?
The person who.
Now the boot camp master.
DJ.
Can't hear it,
Yeah, he's careful for knocking off the screen.
Damn, feet up in there.
Stop playing.
It's killing the geese over there.
It's because he's doing the foot seek.
Yeah.
The foot seek.
Yeah,
Wasn't he in the competition for the most fidgety person anyway?
No, I'm not, because I'm afraid.
That was
Good
mine.
things today.
Oh, he's a go week.
First, first they actually.
Want anything yet?
I gotta start- No, I'm the special
People
one.
know.
I would say you're probably the most calm.
You got it set up.
Don't tell Brian. You won't know what to give me, you will give him the chicken or something.
Before today's.
Another tech, FTA. See, thanks, Kev Dog.
I get a chance to read. Coach, do we have a long signal here?
Let me check.
Coach,
Yes, we do.
I'm in long.
We do.
Me too,
All right.
but very close to the.
Real tight stop because you know the open coming.
Yeah.
We had the big one yesterday, today's a bank holiday.
Right, so that's why I'm like.
How about stop at 792? Is that too close?
Nope, that's what you have to do now with the opening coming up because they could be slamming it either way.
I'm closing the thing.
Yeah.
Unless I see like that. This is not a bad bicycle.
Yeah, we do have a buy signal. It is aggressive, people, because,
It's aggressive, it's aggressive, it's a good bicycle.
yeah. Goodbye as compared to goodbye. I don't like goodbye for my account, you know, like when the guy, goodbye.
She's also prior high. And part.
That's right.
We can stop up 3 ticks now. Just keep trailing it with the stop.
Knowing that.
Come up 346 now with your stop. Keep moving that stop. The banks are closed today. Yes, Randy?
Yeah.
So there'd be much less volume. Move your stop up more.
Yay.
Good job.
Target,
Yeah, good call.
Anna, got it.
I looked at your-
No grandma.
done.
Target fulfilled.
Good job, Brad. Anna, they nailed it. Will trade, nailed it. Good job. I did not take it. I wimped out. I'm sorry.
But now we'll wait for the open.
Yours
Yeah,
and your-
Well, you can't lose.
On, keep it on, coach.
Not your microphone, your speaker.
Yeah, keep it on.
I told you stay down.
Keep my speaker off. Okay.
That's.
Yeah. Experiment. One time I do it and it works.
Whenever we're in the same room together.
Yeah.
Speakers should be off.
Hello to everyone out there watching us on YouTube. It's Paulina from Liberty Trading Club. Just giving a quick check-in to see how you're enjoying the trade room today. Please put your comments in the chat box. We are conducting our in-person live training boot camp today in California, Los Angeles to be exact, and we will be having a half day today, so please enjoy the rest of the stream. If you'd like to be live in the trade room with us, just visit libertytradingclub.com. The details are in the description, and you get a free 3-day trial. After your trial, it's only $99 a month to be a part of the trade room, and you get access to our core training videos that are unlocked once you register. Please like, subscribe, and share.
And what else do we need to do?
Momentum is
That's it for
already
the
down, so
trial
I am
members.
afraid they're gonna
Scheduled
start
coaching
pushing
session,
down
we
to
will
try to
answer
get a
any
gap
questions for
filled.
you. Those of you who are
Meaning
newer to us,
825 target.
we still have an echo.
No, but it's a 100-point sell-off
All
from
right,
here,
deal with the echo for just a minute.
down.
All right, so those of you who are newer with us, please, no trading for the first 6 minutes. And if you're newer to us.
We are open for
newer
business.
to us, please trade in SIM, do not use cash.
I'm
Thank you
not
guys, sorry about the
taking
echo.
Coach.
Yep.
6 minutes.
No echo on your end.
Somehow I think it's my Casa that's beeping.
It's mine that's beeping.
Okay.
I have a newer version now, and I couldn't take out the wave volume.
No, mine is on there too now. It's sort of reset. It says sound for signal. I disabled that the last time, but so I'm gonna disable it. Like it beeping.
Mine's gonna keep beeping.
We'll let yours beep. Alert wave 2. Wow. I guess that's. There's our sell-off. Who predicted that?
You did.
I did.
And who took that?
And who took that? Oh, boy. All right. Well, you're not a newbie anymore. You're not in Kansas. Good job. Yeah, I think it's going to 25. 8 from what? What did I say? 925 or
825.
825? So it would go to 725 for a 100-point sell-off? Is that it? Yeah, it's got to go to 725.
Yeah, and we have a line there too.
Yep.
I do call trades.
Yeah. Yeah, it's going 725.
Yeah, I didn't trade just because it was over.
Now, see, this is a prediction that I did without trading it. You can do that. So what if I was completely wrong and say, somebody's buying it instead of selling it? But here I'm saying, right, there was a sell-off in the beginning. That's pretty cool. We're going for a gap fill, meaning it should go for the closing price of 712. Yeah. So don't be surprised to see 725 first target and then 712. This is going to be a gap fill trade. There you go. 100-point winner, Rad.
Good at that.
Very good.
I'm done. Closed.
That's it. You're done for the day. You got your 1%. You would definitely be 1% on that trade, right? On your equity. You'd be packed up. Good night, everybody. Have a good weekend and leave. Tough thing to do, isn't it? Now, of course, you're here, so stay, please.
Yeah, I would love to.
But normally,
I really took it like, and I'm really.
Jennifer took it. Jennifer took it.
Good job, Jennifer.
Possibly a new coach emerging in the Virginia
Oh yeah,
area.
Jennifer, you've really done well since boot camp. I really appreciate it. I'm glad you are.
Yeah.
Doing such a great job.
Now remember, newer traders do not trade for the first 6 minutes. And then what happens after it fills the gap, right? The gap
I'm good.
come back in.
Like
This is like the market, like
Remember me,
remember me, any student of history, you make a lot of money. That's it.
Anybody that remember what happened in the past?
Yeah. And you'd say, wait, how could, well, yesterday it went up, so the market says, I'm gonna
Nice
just
squiggles to
screw
cancel.
with your mind, because yesterday everybody, you buy the open and it goes up, and then today, nope, we're not gonna do that. We're gonna go down. Good job, people.
Yeah, people.
Peoples. Now,
Anna, did you make one trade this morning?
I only traded earlier.
No, Anna,
Anna, yeah, she got it.
was your first trade positive?
Oh, yeah.
Did you stop? Did you switch to Sam?
Yeah, they both traded, they both got filled at the same time. Remember Tara and Wilbur?
I'll count this as day one of your 30 days.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Keep that up for 30 days.
Yeah.
All
Good
right.
job, Ramon. Let's see if we get a double bottom in here. I mean, remember, the 15 is down, momentum's down, but we still have the 60, and the pivot is, oh yeah, that's what we were gonna do now, right?
About a mile
Recalculate the
down.
pivot, said after the open. Yeah, so let's do that.
Mile.
All right, get your little.
Good job, Chad.
calculators out.
Nice. Yeah.
We're
most
gonna
of us
do
have
the
done on that
pivot
trade.
and calculate. Here, I'll show you on the
Good
data
job,
box.
guys. Good job, Ramon.
The daily
Good job, Chad.
pivot. No matter. We're only looking at the daily chart. So get your calculators out. All right.
Oh, now it's starting to put me in trades.
We're gonna
Just
take
now. Yeah.
the highs, 33,
Well, I
8,
turned it off.
0,
Because that's stupid habit running.
which is the high, plus the low, 32, 450,
It's working though. I mean, yeah.
Plus.
Take it.
the close of 33, 712.
It's only got me down 1,200 this morning.
That equals
Not counting your
99,962
open.
divided by 3 equals 33,321. I've rounded off the 666 number. And that's the pivot. There you go. That's how you do it. It confirms what we thought would happen. Everybody see how you do it? That's how you do it. All right, let me get the stuff out of here. Everybody get that? How to do it?
If you had everything pointing down, but you were still above the pivot, what would you do that?
So somebody told me this morning that this is not an inside day, right?
Yeah,
Right? Or could we still treat it like one?
at this point, yes.
Yeah.
But inside day would be.
It opens inside the same, I
But
get it.
it did.
Yeah, but we just still treat it like inside day
Yes,
because we know what, we have a lot of information to say that we can't treat it that way.
Right.
To answer your question, I give you a question back. What's the trend?
What is the trend? What is-
Every time I do it in class, 50-50, no one ever agrees,
What
ever.
is the trend?
No one knows how to do the trend. Pivot, 15, 60, yeah, 2 out of 3 are up. Still.
Hey.
No matter how much we think it's going to. Now, mind wants us to
Hey, guys,
do something.
those of you that said down online, Ramon put a Those of you that sit down online, you need to, hey, that's my mom calling you. Probably answer that. Those of you that sit down online, watch the trend videos. Pretty simple, straightforward. Watch the trend videos again.
Yeah,
I also have support from yesterday's 7:14.
yeah, you gotta use a tight stop because
Yeah, it's an old thing.
the 60 has, I mean, the 2 minute has not yet hooked up, but, and it's still a little selling pressure, although the ticks are generally above zero. So all that's happening is it's trying to correct yesterday's over a bullions, but we're still up. I would, I would say maybe, let me look at,
I had three confluence areas that I had
Yeah.
lined up there, so we're getting a good pop. Yeah, it's a good, I thought it was good.
Good job, Willie.
Thank you.
You're more than two tick.
Two tick, I'm what? You can't call me two tick Willie anymore.
and at least trail your stop now, you may or may not be right, but
I hope so. I haven't got that one. That's Greg.
This is a
Greg.
long, yeah.
200 tick
Yeah.
Greg.
Mhm.
220. My stop
50
is at
points.
36.
Yeah, get it, go get it.
Got it, nice job. Come on. Make
Just
it
raise your stops, don't worry about targets.
Make it hungry.
Let's go. Come on. JET, yes.
That, it will, mine's going to go.
Ah, got it. Okay.
So that was-
In my trading plan, I'm not trading cash today just because it's had a good week. It's a holiday. It's, I just want to practice other trades.
Yep,
Out. Kicked out.
I can't wait till Monday.
yeah.
How many contracts did you have? I had 4 and took, first 2 at 12. 12 ticks, and rest I let it go. Starts, break even.
I think the support really is gonna come in here around
Minus
650,
because
in my opinion, guys. 650 is going to be support.
I put a-
33,650.
I also have yesterday's 33,550.
Yeah, be careful. We still have a lot of selling pressure trying to bring the market down to where it was yesterday. Yeah,
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, we got yesterday's 35.50.
mhm,
550, yeah. So kind of, if it goes down there.
yeah.
Wow.
Robert, let us leave it. 2 trades a minute.
Okay, so all you have to do now, if you think it's gonna go up, put a buy stop above 651. So 652, I've got a buy stop. If the market turns back up, we will go long. Otherwise, just let it go. How many minutes have evolved since the open? Over 10 minutes. Gonna wait for 6 minutes for the market to yesterday's gains, right?
Glad to see nobody's gonna use that as,
Oh, yeah, he's going nuts.
and then anything to keep your hand off the mouse.
No, we people would be multiple.
Right now, I have 652 buy stop, okay? If it doesn't go up there, I don't want it. Let it keep going down. But if it turns up, then we'll take it long, okay? This is called a momentum bar in the 15-minute.
It sounds raining.
Hmm?
I know it went pretty high out
Yeah.
yesterday, but
Still selling it.
Inflation's back today.
Yeah, inflation's back today, right?
Today's inflation's
Yeah.
back.
Little W right here. You can also buy one at 625.
But what is your fault? You said ice cream costed,
Yeah, and that's it. I knew. I said ice cream was expensive and,
and so they said.
all right, 625 buy stop. I'm gonna try to scalp a long trade at 625. I'm gonna buy stop. First target be 636. And then, of course, I still have the buy stop to add at 652. So only if this thing riding back up. Otherwise, you drop 200 point. You don't know. Never know.
Take,
It goes at 6:26 and comes back.
The ATR is what, 44.2, so that means your stops would be what, 62 points, right?
That's too rich for your blood.
Don't take it.
Back. There's a guaranteed no lose trade we teach in this room, guys. Those of you on trial, pay attention. There's a guaranteed no lose trade that we teach in this room.
On hands, sit on hands.
guaranteed, no lose trade.
Yeah.
You guys want to know what it is?
SOH one, right? SOH trade?
SOH.
That's
Sit on your hands. That trade is guaranteed to never lose you money. Low pay.
Okay?
He has 3 hands.
I actually think he does. Really do.
Getting a little divergence on the 133, little snout type of formation. Now remember, if we break what? It's a bearish sign. What's the number? 33,168, right? Then it gives up all that support up to 10 o'clock from yesterday morning.
Very, very,
Very, very bearish, right?
I'm not saying
I'm not saying it's gonna do that.
It's
It's
500.
500 points lower. But if it does, goodbye yesterday.
Yep.
Gotta know that.
I am doing the SOH trade myself. Switch back to my actual account.
Good morning again, everyone here in the virtual world watching our live stream today. It's Paulina from Liberty Trading Club. Thank you for joining us this morning. We're going to be cutting this stream off in just a few moments, but I just wanted to take the time to say thank you for joining us. And if you'd like to join us for real in the trade room, visit libertytradingclub.com and sign up for your free 3-day trial. You'll have access to our trade room for live trade calls, as well as participation in chat where your questions will be answered by a coach. After your first 3 days, just click the button for $99 to sign up for the trade room, and you'll unlock our core training videos. You'll have access to our 6 simple trading setups and our methodology to get you started, and we'll even assign a coach to work with you to make sure you're trading in the right direction. Once again, libertytradingclub.com. Sign up for your free 3-day trial, and we'll take it from there. Please like, subscribe, and share if you found this interesting this morning. Have a great day.
Right, you wild bee. Here comes our 652 area. Mm-hmm. 661 would be the next target. Just keep raising your stop. 661, next target. Did anyone take this trade in the
Guys,
remote?
you guys
room?
get that? Hi. You guys get that?
Get that?
Good job, Steve. Good
Good
job,
job,
Paul.
guys.
Good job, Guy.
You guys are
Nice
animals.
work. Codnop, good job. Team Slayton, good job.
Now the
5, 6, 7,
ATR is pretty high. Just a warning. You know,
Getting
your
so
stop's
early.
gonna have to be pretty big.
My field was 580. Good job, Team Slayton. Good field too. You guys were like a tiger pouncing on that thing. All right. Then don't worry about that right now. Let's get some good profitable trades in.
Where's your next target, guys? 661, right? I'll draw it on you.
596.
Control.
I got one stop at 597.
60.
What price you get in at, Drew? I mean, technically, we have a little M against us, first touch rule, so be careful, guys. We want to make sure 558.
Yeah, the biggest problem, the biggest red flag,
Nice drill.
right now are the
Okay.
ATR. 50, it's getting up to 50 points now. So that would be a 75-point stop. Eesh. You know, those who are green, keep your
This
green.
didn't get me. 97. 97 is my stop, guys. 97 is my stop. And no, it's not anymore. Never
Good
mind.
job, coach. Yeah.
Never mind.
Good money management.
Never mind. And there goes the sim account.
Hey, good morning again. Thank you. Sorry? Yeah, that'd be great. I just finished that. Yeah, I'm done with that. I'm gonna get confused which coffee cup.
Oh, is
Feel
that
like
mine?
it's a Johnny Carson show.
Did I leave one up
They
there?
had booze in Ed McMahon's coffee cup. I mean, well, I've never seen clear coffee before, you know.
I actually set up.
Good job,
Ed
Chad.
McMahon
No, that's
with the
good.
hip rule here on the bypass.
Really? Yeah. Oh, wow.
He was not a
He
happy
was,
man. No, he wasn't in general. He had a lot of financial issues and.
oh, really?
Yeah. He had a armed guard at his ranch.
Really? Wow. Holy cow.
He wasn't a very nice gentleman.
Hmm.
James
Yeah.
Garner, I met James Garner.
I guess he got tired of playing second foil to, you know, Johnny.
I guess. Here's Johnny.
Hey, I don't know how Vanna White does. Imagine the job you just like don't change a number for 40 years, you know.
And how much has he made?
What have you done for society? Well, I've changed numbers, you know. But can't the computer do that? Can't you replace? Why don't you replace her with me? You're 661 coming up.
I have an amazing sequin dress closet.
He took the first touch rule short. Profitable Chad. All right. I'm gonna.
That was what Vanna White says. Sorry.
Okay.
Ding,
She has a closet full of sequin dresses.
Say that again?
No, not at all. Yeah, now I'm pulling my stop. My stop is 650 at 657 flat. How many people took
Yeah,
that
slow it down,
trade?
Chad. Slow it down.
All right, good job.
I think I'm still in it.
You
All right,
you might have
Jennifer.
been, yeah.
Jennifer, you should be done
Okay.
for the day.
Yeah.
It's gonna get a little crazy. Jennifer, take it easy.
I'm sorry?
No.
You had a good morning, Jennifer. Relax.
I'll go back. It'll be up.
Tell me you hear the words coming out of my mouth.
Yeah,
This is a good trade, y'all.
yeah,
It did get
It's
back
not
in.
me out, I'm still out.
yeah.
It didn't stop you out, guys. Stop saying it stopped me
Okay,
out.
yeah.
If
I
if I wanted to let me get out, I will do
I
it.
took myself out of the trade. More of that.
Oh, you said it. Yeah.
All
Good
right,
job,
all right,
Jennifer.
Switch to the micros. That's good. Good job, Jennifer. Good job, Steve C.
Yeah. Yeah, that to me is, you know,
Steve
yeah,
C.
you need.
I was talking to
Good
Steve.
job, Profitable Chad. You got out quickly, took the long side,
Good job,
you know,
guys.
one little thing, no big deal. Good job.
Ooh, a little bit over trading there, Chad. Slow it down, somebody.
One of the first things.
We were still in an uptrend.
That might be easier, yeah. I don't know, but really that's.
Nice job. We get a guys, people are gonna start meetings with coach. I'm staying on with you in the back of the room here. We have it done for the day.
Tell you what, go over there and close your trade out.
Oh, you're okay.
Trade out.
All three profitable, right, Chad? All three profitable. Attach it to something, Willie.
Willie comes over here, still long in the trade. He didn't even
Is
have,
that your cash
he's
account?
over there with his stop, close the trade.
You're not trading cash today? Smart move.
That's how confident he was. He
Look at
didn't
this.
have to watch it.
Willie had a great week. Didn't
Yeah.
like the way the day was looking today. He's not trading cash.
Yeah.
He's paid his
40
mortgage this
ticks, yeah,
week.
take it. Just leave it. And this way, we don't lose.
Hey, guys, seriously,
Good job, Team Slayton.
everybody at boot camp, give Willie a round of applause, please.
Yeah.
He was done for the week yesterday. He was done for the week yesterday. That's discipline, guys. That is discipline. I like it.
And Chanel, after Willie, if you'd like to just get a couple of things, I know, you've got a nice plan, but just to add the tape reading stuff and what I'm really looking at, it'd be great.
Oh, yeah, Chanel, you definitely got
Get
your
over
time
here.
there. Mute your microphone, Coach.
I'm sorry?
Mute your microphone.
Okay.
Okay, perfect. Just whenever somebody's sitting up there with you, mute yours. That way I can keep running from the back. Who is the sloth there? You guys still long, right? Everybody here still long, right? Good job, guys. Hey, I gotta come over and give you a
So now I can turn on those things. But at least for now, I can see, let's see. It's true. You want to say where it's trading accumulated, especially in the middle. If it does that and goes down, then I might say like here, say, well, if it goes to 98, I'm gonna go here. See, tipping down, right? And not know it comes back to 87.
All right, guys, squeeze your stops up. Stops up, worries out. I'm going to use the 89 for one of mine. So it's about to get me. If this is if this acts like a first touch rule and it bounces off this, I'm definitely using the 89 for one of my stops. Good job, Ramon. All three of yours were good, Chad? Is that what you said? All three of your trades were profitable? Nice job. Nice job, Chad. I love that. Guys, I'm telling you something. Those of you online, get done early today. There's no point in playing around with it, with what's shaping up to look like an inside day. And with, what is it? With the 50 ATR, get done early today, guys. How many people? All right, boot camp. What do we got, 20 here? We got like 20 people at boot camp. Tamania. What? Tam? Tamania? I don't. Tamania? That's the screen name, so sorry. Yeah, we got like, what do we have? 20? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 13, 14.
Okay, yeah. Coach,
20, yeah, 20 exactly.
You tell them,
20 people at boot camp.
just a reminder, the ticks were like plus 800, the market was dropping.
It gets you-
That's extremely bearish. That's like saying the ticks don't matter.
You guys,
The buy programs, whoever has a buy program.
It's an intense week of learning.
Driving prices down.
so that's it, guys. You guys see what's happening. What Coach is just saying, he's saying that ticks were extremely high and the market is still going down. That tells us that we're extremely bearish. So on the opposite side of that, if ticks were extremely low and the market's going up, that tells us that we're extremely bullish. Well, thank you, Chad. We do think that the coaching is worth it. We definitely think the coaching is worth it.
What if it keeps going down forever and I don't go more? But have you ever seen a market go down forever? You know, remember yesterday it was up 1,000 points. Is it gonna go down 1,000?
Yeah, so you're done, right, Chad? Be done for the day?
Yeah, 16.
Please just tell me you're done for the day so I can give you a gong. That's plenty of ticks. Good job, guy. This is why I traded. There's your gong. After you've gotten your profits, guys, get out of here today. There's no point. Or stick around and listen. At 11 o'clock, 11:11, we're going to take a moment of silence for all of our veterans out there. So those of you done for the day, come back at 11 and do the moment of silence with us.
And we know.
Sound good? All right, guys. Just sit on the sideline for a couple minutes. Everybody, I wouldn't take a long signal here. I would just wait. Just wait. Yeah, I mean, it's a low tick rate, but we're
You can do it. When it went down to here, that support was 794.
I've got to change this layout.
599. I mean, 594 is 5 is.
And guys, those of you that took the long signal, get out. We do have news coming out soon, guys. So, yeah, we got news coming out. I'm gonna turn off this. It's already got me down so much. I'm gonna let it keep trading. The auto trader keep trading the sim account.
What's coming out, guys, in like a minute? Let me tell you. Consumer sentiment, right?
Consumer sentiment is coming out.
Don't trade before that. Remember we said 1 minute before that, don't trade.
They'll do it.
Consumer sentiment coming out, guys. Don't trade before
All right. News is coming. We have.
Five.